Banyakren halor kimat jingdawa jongki kibalane mentala bun snem. Kasorkar jela hene kanop hai sngi ka khatn rew terik risau lingba Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukonrat ke sangma kala pelong ye ka Jingialang bat Nonghikai SSA. Ha kabalay donlang nadu Myntri Rangbah ka jela uba lakmen rumboi Myntri badekmi katanat puliputhi Nonghikai bakentup na ka Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSA Nonghikai ka Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association bat kiwe. Habakren chikilat pathai Khubor na kaliang uba Aristotle Rimbai President ka MSSA uloong ba ka Jingialang kalong ka basngaw tenat bat ka baseso namar na kaliang Myntri Rangbah ka jela ula Kular ba ka sorkar jela kan Iada ya ka kam Nonghikai SSA bat ru habayade ba ka jingdawa kentiu tulap jongki na kaliang ka sorkar kala penkre ya ka pay structure.
On behalf of all Meghalaya for Teachers Associations, today we had a meeting together along with the other 4 associations, which was chaired by our Honorable Chief Minister himself. The meeting was successful, and we were very happy as 4 teachers together as a whole, and that we have got also the assurance that our Chief Minister himself, that the government has promised us to give us a structure, a pay system which will be for everybody. And the only thing is that our Chief Minister himself was taking this decision boldly, because this pending issue of the teachers for so many years, our Chief Minister has wants that to end it once and for all. So this is what the good results, and that for all teachers, for the benefits of all teachers. And at the same time, for teachers, he has promised us that salary, disbursement of the salary also will be given to the personal account and equal with everybody in the state as teachers. So only this we would like to share and thank the government for taking this initiative for the good, for the benefits of all teachers, because Chief Minister himself said that he does not want the teachers to suffer and the students also to suffer. So only these few. Thank you very much.
We, the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, under the banner of Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association Central Body, and the All Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association. Today meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma chaired the meeting in the presence of our Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakmen Rumboi, in the presence of the official of the Education Department. So I would like to inform all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya that today's meeting is a very positive meeting. We had a detailed discussion, especially in 2 key agendas. That number 1 is taking over of SSA school, or we can say that the government to protect the job security of SSA teachers, and number 2, the pay enhancement in the form of pay structure. So the Honorable Chief Minister have made it very clear today that the government will protect the service of all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. As you are aware that the SSA will be ended by 31st of March 2026. So we are very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Honorable Education Minister, that they have made it very clear that the government will protect the service of the SSA teachers as far as our state of Meghalaya is concerned. Number 2, regarding the pay enhancement, the Honorable Chief Minister has made it very clear that the pay enhancement of SSA teachers will be in the form of pay scale structure. So the details of today's meeting we will share with all the SSA teachers in a general meeting which we will call very soon. Once we receive the minutes of today's meeting, we will call the general meeting of all the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, and we will highlight we had a discussion of today meeting in front of all the SSA teachers. Thank you.
In Myntri,
So far, how many schools has
So far from the community school, 3,334 schools have given the willingness of hand over the SSA school to the government. And from community school, from the private aided school, which include the minority school also, 298 schools. So in total, 3,332 schools have submitted their willingness of hand over the management for SSA to the government.
Now, with regards to this pay division, what will be the total financial requirement for this?
Yeah, regarding that, we have to wait for the minutes. So once we receive the minutes, we will share everything regarding the details. Okay. Mentakasni ni nang sudah paniat Shillong but is a very important meeting. Kepala chair da i Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma, haga Jingialang jong i Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakmen Rumbui, but the official naka Education Department nado i Sir Vijay Kumar Myntri, i Commissioner and Secretary, menta i Director jongka School Education and Literacy, i SPD, but kawai officer jongka Education Department. Nakaliantungi ngi pentip siya baro Nonghikai SSA po Khubor Meghalaya ba ka meeting mentakasni kalong it's a very positive very positive meeting. So today nakaliang jong Honorable Chief Minister ila kren da basyay ba the government will protect the right of the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. Kumbapitip ba ka SSA kan sakut no ka funding by 31st March 2026. So we are very happy today that the Honorable Chief Minister make it very clear ba ka Sorkar kan Iada but can protect ya ka service jong baro Nonghikai SSA. Hakabay day but kan ka pay enhancement mo ka bangila dawa baro sikata. The Honorable Chief Minister ila kren na basyay ba the government will come up with a pay structure for all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, including the 4 teachers. So to say, today meeting, we from the association, we are very satisfied with today's meeting. And regarding the details, what we have discussed, we will disclose in the general meeting, which we will call once we receive the minutes of today's meeting. Thank you.